Got a clogged toilet? Here's a quick and easy guide to fix it. You'll need gloves, a good plunger, dish soap, and hot water. For tough clogs, a toilet auger helps. First, put on gloves and make sure there's enough water to cover the plunger. Insert the plunger and push down gently, then pull up sharply. Repeat for 20 to 30 seconds. If the water drains quickly, the clog is gone. If not, try again.
No luck. Add dish soap and hot water, then wait 15 to 30 minutes to soften the clog.
For deeper clogs, use a toilet auger. Twist and push gently to break up the blockage.
Don't use harsh chemicals, and never flush repeatedly. It could overflow.
With these steps, you can unclog most toilets easily. Thanks for watching.